Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make Egg Ulli Karam, a truly delicious and spicy Andhra-style egg curry. This dish is known for its vibrant flavors and is surprisingly simple to prepare, making it perfect for any meal. We'll go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final cooking, ensuring you can recreate this mouth-watering recipe at home. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, protein-rich meal that's sure to impress. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this flavorful Egg Ulli Karam. You'll need about 3 to 6 boiled eggs, which form the base of our dish. For the aromatic masala, prepare 2 medium-sized onions, 15 to 20 garlic cloves, and a sprig of fresh curry leaves. For the spice blend, have ready 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and salt, along with 1½ teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. These ingredients will create a truly authentic taste. Now let's create the heart of our Egg Ulli Karam, the flavorful masala paste. Start by grinding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, and 2 cardamoms into a fine powder. Then, add 15 to 20 garlic cloves, 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder to the grinder. Finally, incorporate 2 diced onions and grind everything into a coarse, aromatic paste. This mixture is key to the dish's incredible taste. With our masala ready, it's time to cook this delicious dish. Heat 1½ tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once hot, temper it with 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Next, add the prepared onion and spice paste, frying it on a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes until the raw smell of the onions disappears. Make small cuts around your boiled eggs, then add them to the pan, mixing gently to coat them thoroughly. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then serve your hot Egg Ulli Karam with steamed rice or any Indian flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.